And they're off. Stormbreaker hits the ground in the early part, followed by DreamWorks on the outside, moving up Fire Lady. Manpower's next online, Power of the Wind. Or moving up now is entry number 5, that's Hard Power. And going along for the first turn, Stormbreaker being joined by DreamWorks, Hard Power racing third. And down in fourth by Zam for Power of the Wind. Next on line, Manpower running by Rovilla. Irish Smile, while Far Lady is running in the tail of the field. Into the back they travel. Stormbreaker just in front, followed by DreamWorks, and Hard Power is racing third. It's Stormbreaker and DreamWorks, Hard Power moving up on the outside. It's still Stormbreaker, Hard Power on the outside. DreamWorks inside the last 600. Hard Power takes the lead now, Balang, followed by Stormbreaker. DreamWorks on the outside, third. Down in fourth now, Manpower by Zam 4. Power of the Wind next online, Fire Lady, while Irish Smile still running in the tail of the field. Towards the final turn is still Hard Power, leads by some 5 lengths. Then moving up now takes second is Manpower. It's Hard Power by 3 lengths, followed by Manpower on the outside. Down in third, DreamWorks. Here comes Power of the Wind, but still Hard Power leading by Sam 2 lengths over Manpower, and finally Hard Power, Manpower, Power of the Wind, Fire Lady, DreamWorks, Stormbreaker, and Irish Smile.
53764.
Right. Hard Power.